Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a surfer. To draw a surfer, we're first going to need to draw a big wave. For detailed instructions on how to draw a wave, check out our tsunami video linked in the description below. Let's start off by drawing the wave going up and over, the tip of the wave coming down like so, and the part of the wave that curves back down and under. Now we can draw our surfer. Start with a line coming across for the chin, turning up for the face, turning back for the top, and turning down for the back of the neck. For the arms, we'll draw them sticking out and bent slightly like he's balancing. A line coming out for the shoulder, angling down slightly for the arm, a small bump at the bottom for the hand, and coming back to the body like so. For the other arm, draw a similar shape but with a sharp bend in it like he's trying to balance. Then, a curve down to the left like so for the body, like he's hunched over. And one here for the back as well. Connect those lines across with two boxy U-shapes at opposite angles for the swim trunks. For the leg, start with two bent lines coming out from here, with a small flat bottom for the foot. For the other leg, draw it slightly shorter like he's bending his leg towards you to balance better. Next, draw the surfboard with a big sideways V shape underneath. And draw two tips at the back end to close out the shape. Now, draw the front of the wave and the lines coming down from the top that make it look like the water is rushing up. When you get to the surfer, add a few wavy lines around it for the water that's pushing the surfboard. For some added detail, draw a thin line connecting the back of the surfboard with a tip, and another thin line along the bottom edge of the surfboard to give it some thickness. Finally, you can finish off the water with some lines for the surrounding waves. And now you've got a surfer! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.